Hi, this is Dr. Jim Hutt from CounselorLink.com. I want to talk about one of the most common complaints I hear in my office almost daily because it wreaks havoc on relationships. It's about control. How many times have you said about your partner, he or she is so controlling? It goes something like this. It begins when the so-called controlling partner has a general style of telling you what to do, when to do it, how to do it, and why to do it their way, or does something over again that you've already completed, accompanied by some sort of editorial about what was wrong with it, the way you did it, the timing, the results, the overall quality, and so forth. I think you get the picture. So here's the deal. People we label as controlling do not feel powerful like we think they do. In fact, they feel powerless, lonely, alone, and frustrated. Why? They feel lonely because what they do is very off-putting, it pushes people away, and it certainly pushes you away. They certainly don't feel powerful because their efforts seldom yield the results they want. They, in fact, feel very powerless. But nevertheless, they are relentless in what appears to be their pursuit of control and often become loud, more controlling, more critical, and more overbearing. They do not know the difference between being powerful and overpowering. It's sort of like what we used to say in the Navy when we were working on a job that wasn't going well. Just get a bigger hammer, pound on it harder. Well, what does a controlling person get from their partner? Usually a very mutually dissatisfying, resentful compliance. Now, why would somebody even be controlling? That's often the question. Well, think of it this way. Control is always about relief. That's right, it's about relief. The question is, relief from what? Well, in general, they want relief of some sort from some sort of emotional pain. It's a painful internal state they do not put words to, a set of feelings that they can't seem to express or reduce, such as anxiety, fear, diffuse nervousness, anger, hurt, and so forth. They seem to believe that if others change their behavior, then the controlling one will feel better. But it seldom, if ever, works out that way. All right, here's how you can begin to break this pattern. First, do your best to keep your own emotional reactivity as low as possible. Second, calmly and with compassion, assert that you understand how frustrated your partner is that you do not seem to be able to meet his or her standards. Third, try to appeal to the side of him or her that genuinely seems unhappy and ask if he or she is willing to talk more about what's really going on inside and divert the focus away from being controlling. And fourth, do your best to not be defensive. Remember, controlling behavior, especially when it's a long-standing pattern, is about seeking relief from an unidentified internal state of discontent. If the two of you are unable to discuss the matter effectively and productively, find a professional counselor who can help you. You both desperately want relief, and this is a very difficult pattern to break out of, and both of you play a role in it. This is Dr. Jim Hutt from CounselorLink.com, wishing you a satisfying relationship.